his plan was to buy this car, ship it to India for his wedding. But when they planned it, this car would only land in India on his wedding day.
So don't say he postponed his wedding.
No, he didn't postpone his wedding.
Yeah.
You know what he did?
What?
He bought a Porsche 911 Carrera S.
Oh my god! Zoom, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಖಕ್ಕೆ ಇಟ್ಬಿಡು. What's up guys? Welcome to Desert Dreams Kannada. Today, look what we got. Okay, this is called ಆನೆ. ಆನೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಏನಂತಾರೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಆನೆಗೆ ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಗುರು? Why what do they call for big ಆನೆ?
Elephant.
Elephant, a big one.
Mammoth.
In Kannada, what do they say in Kannada? Don't know. This is don't know. Sorry. This is the mammoth. What the fuck, bro? So guys, look at this. This is the Nissan Patrol. I mean, look at this. Sorry, it's a Toyota Land Cruiser. But what the fuck? I said Patrol. But actually, guys, now we are actually recording that 578 by McLaren. And where is the Mustang, bro? Where is the Mustang go? Where did the Mustang go? Here. Actually, ನಾವು ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಶೂಟ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಬನ್ನಿ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಫೋನ್ ನನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾಮನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ನೇಮ್?
Dutchman.
Yeah, okay. And record and talk shit.
Talk shit.
Yeah.
Shit is a gold color thing.
Bro, white or black? What do you like?
And there is a thing.
The gold and shit is both same color.
You said talk with shit.
Gold and shit are both same color?
Yeah.
ಯಾವ ಥರ ನೀನು ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಲ್ಲ ಗುರು ಡಚ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಗುರು, ನಿಂಗೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಕಾಲ ಪದ ಕೂಡ ಜಲಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡು. ಶಿಟ್, ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಕಲರ್, yes, but
What?
ಸೊ ಬನ್ನಿ ವಿಲ್ ಟಾಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಾರ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಹ್ಯಾರಿಸ್.
Keep this mic.
Haris bro, why are you here? Haris bro want to sell his McLaren, guys. So anybody want to buy the McLaren, ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ McLaren ತಗೋಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ Haris bro. Haris bro, what is the price you are selling for?
420.
You are not 420, right?
Yes.
Are you 420? 420k dirhams.
Yes.
Right?
420k.
Why you are selling for very cheap?
Yes, bro.
Why? What happened? You are so generous person.
I'm car seller already.
Okay. So you want to just sell this car?
Yes.
Why do you want to sell this beautiful car, bro? Why do you want to sell this car? Which year is it?
2016 model.
2016 model.
Yeah.
But to be honest,
570 V8 turbo, twin turbo.
Yeah. But you maintain it very well, bro.
Yes.
If I was the owner for this car, I would have kept this car. Tell me, let me know if you are selling this beast.
This is 20.
This is for sale?
Yeah.
ನಮ್ಮ Haris ಅವರು is a businessman, okay? He doesn't want to come to the camera. Thank you for the cameo.
But I'll tell you.
Anyway, let me introduce this guy, the OG creator.
Oh my God, every time he introduces me,
Mr. Rohan Robert. What is Chappale?
Chappali.
Chappale.
Okay.
ಏನೋ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಏನು ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ.
Okay. So about this car, there's actually a fun story.
ಗಾಡಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಹವಾಮಾನ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಗಾಡಿನ. ಹೇಳ್ಗುರು ಏನಂತ ಏನು
Okay,
ಸಮಾಚಾರ?
there's actually a fun story.
Okay.
This car, he actually bought it for his wedding.
ವೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್.
Yeah. He actually got this car for his wedding, but unfortunately, when he planned to ship this car to India, this car would only land in India on his wedding day.
Okay, I was thinking of something else.
Did you understand?
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Like what? Like in Carnet?
Incarnate.
You want to take this in Carnet?
That
Okay.
his plan was to buy this car, ship it to India for his wedding. But when they planned it, this car would only land in India on his wedding day.
So don't say he postponed his wedding.
No, he didn't postpone his wedding.
Yeah.
You know what he did?
What?
He bought a Porsche 911 Carrera S.
Oh my god! It is something new for him, right? What the fuck is going on?
Oh bro, that is actually a real content.
Bro, seriously? 911 turbo is? What the fuck? Man, I mean, like, I don't have any words, bro. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕಾರಣದಿಂದ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರಂತೆ ಅವ್ರ ವೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ದಿನ. ಬಟ್ ಆ ವೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರ್ ಬರಲ್ವಂತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ he bought a Porsche 911 turbo, yes.
Yes.
In India.
In India. Bro, wait. Did you plan for that or you just go to the
No,
showroom?
impulse
and
buy. Impulse buy. Because he wanted a new car for his wedding. So he was like, okay, if McLaren is not there, I'll buy a Porsche.
Amazing, bro. Fun ಅಲ್ಲ. Like
Just fun.
it's nice actually. That kind of ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳು that is the ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಈಗ bro I fucking forget Kannada English everything. I don't even know that word. That is the commitment towards your wedding, man.
Yes.
I appreciate you, bro. Anybody who is come to the camera, why are you shying away? ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ನೀವು ಮದುವೆ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಕೀಪ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒಂದು ಕಮಿಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಈ ಮದುವೆ ದಿನ ನಂಗೆ ಇದು ಬೇಕು ಅದು ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಲಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ವೈಫ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್. ಕನ್ವೆ ಮೈ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಟು ಹರ್. ಓಕೆ.
Show you this thing. Wait, this is the wedding video. Rolls Royce, Mercedes, and this is the Porsche he bought. Another Porsche. Wait, but
Crazy. Why didn't you invite me, bro?
I was invited.
Oh, you went. Oh, you,
Yeah, I went to India for
this
his
is the
wedding. For his
Oh.
wedding.
It was not late. It was recently, right? Last
Yeah,
year, bro? December 19th.
19th.
Ah.
And another thing is there. You know who is the chief minister of Tamil Nadu?
Current?
Karan.
Oh, Thalapathy Vijay.
Talapathy Vijay. Talapathy Vijay. First supercar was a Ford Mustang.
Okay.
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 In India, there's only one Ford Mustang that will never depreciate in value.
It's car.
That is Talapathy Vijay's Ford Mustang.
Okay, yeah, of course, I understand.
Yeah.
Okay.
And that car is with him.
Who is this guy? Who is this guy, guys? Where am I right now? Anything, Guru? Yaar, Guru, you know? Who are you? Who are you? Tell me, who are you? That's amazing. Which was it?
Huh?
Which one?
Ford
which
Mustang GT.
GT. So he sold the car to you?
I'll show you once.
So why did he sell the car?
I don't know.
Maybe for the election, I guess. He ran out of money, I guess. No, but still, like, yeah, of course, people were, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ತಲಪತಿ ವಿಜಯ ಕಾರ ಅಂತ ಅಂದಾಗ ಜನಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ದಟ್ Oh, bro, what the fuck? This DRL is crazy, bro. It's here?
No, India.
Motor EM is in India also?
Yeah, India.
And I think everyone knows this Brent Garage, no?
Yeah, Brent Garage.
Bhupesh Reddy.
Yeah.
He bought Bhupesh Reddy's Lamborghini Huracan as well.
Man, ಹೋಗತ್ತೆ ಯಾರು ನೀನು? Who are you, bro? Who is this guy, bro? Why is he buying everyone's car? Try something one. He's buying everyone's car, bro. Bhupesh Reddy car, Vijay Mallya, I didn't think Vijay Mallya sold to you. Oh my God, okay. What else? This video is full of surprises to me, actually. Crazy. Come here, guys. You'll know ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Is it in India or Dubai?
India, bro.
India.
Kozhikode.
Kozhikode.
Yeah.
I know the place. That's
Vijay's Mustang.
Okay. Where is Bhupesh Reddy's?
Hey.
Oh, this one I remember. Oh my God. I don't have any words to say. What other surprises?
No other surprises as of right now.
Zoom. Ille ಮುಖಕ್ಕೆ ಇಟ್ಬಿಡು. He is Mr. Irfan. We made a video, but he did not even help me at all. I don't know why the hell I'm introducing him. But it's okay. I'm a good person. Introducing him. Irfan bhai, thank you so much, bro. Nandri. But anyways, guys, this video is very simple. So basically, ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ Dubai, we people like us always come to this beautiful place. We are not going to share the location, but this is one of the beautiful places in Dubai where we record and do the shit and all. So just want to show you ಅಷ್ಟೇ. But anyways, this car for sale. Bro, Mustang sale ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yeah, so
How much is it?
only 45.
Okay. If I get 1 million views on YouTube, gift me that Mustang.
Of course.
Bro, I trust your word. Okay, he just told. Guys, oh my God. Baile, record ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Then I need to go to Supreme Court. I have the proof actually. Guys, please, if I get 1 million views on this video, YouTube video ಗೆ ಆ Mustang ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಂತೆ. Zoom ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡು Mustang ನ. Bro, I'm not even joking, bro. Haris, bro.
But I am joking.
Anyways, guys, it's okay, bro. You give me or not, I don't mind, bro. I will get 1 million views, okay? Okay, guys, 1 million views. So challenge to my Kerala friends.
Done.
Thank you so much, guys. Hope you like the video. ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿಗೋಣ. Take it, bye.